Hello everyone, I'm Harley David B. Pacuri, student of ICCT College and taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. And today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of data management with Microsoft Access. If you ever found yourself grappling with the data organization or wondered how to make the most of your information, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's dive into our exploration of Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a powerful database management system or DBMS crafted by Microsoft. But what does that mean for you? Think of it as a versatile toolkit, a virtual assistant that empowers you to organize, store, and retrieve information efficiently, whether you're handling data for a project, business, or personal use. Microsoft Access provides a user-friendly platform to revolutionize the way you manage your data. It's more than just a software, it's a gateway to streamline and effective data management. Now, let's delve deeper into intricacies of Microsoft Access. As we explore the characteristics of database management systems or DBMS within Microsoft Access, we encounter several key features. Database creation is fundamental, allowing you to design and structure data in tables. The process is intuitive and provides a solid foundation for your information. Data input is another crucial feature, enables you to effortlessly add, edit, and manage your data. This simplifies the often tedious task of data entry. Then comes query, the analytical tools that allow you to ask specific questions and extract precise answers from your data. And finally, reports. The storytellers transform your raw data into visually appealing insights, making it easier to understand and share. These characteristics collectively contribute to making Microsoft Access a comprehensive and user-friendly DBMS. Moving on, let's shift our focus to the enhanced feature of Relational Database Management Systems or RDBMS within Microsoft Access. With RDBMS, it's not just about managing data, it's about managing relationships. Data definition allows you to establish connections between different sets of information, creating a web of interrelated data. Data manipulation takes things a step further, providing advanced tools to interact with the modified data in sophisticated ways. And for added security and control, data control features empower you to manage user access and permissions effectively. This level of sophistication in data management sets RDBMS apart and provides a robust framework for handling complex datasets. Now, let's draw clear distinctions between RDBMS and DBMS in a Microsoft Access. While DBMS excels in creating and managing data, RDBMS focuses specifically on data definition, manipulation, and control. The emphasis on relationships between data entities is what sets RDBMS apart. Offering a more and efficient approach to data management is like upgrading from a basic toolkit to a precision instrument tailored for intricate data structures. Objects form the building blocks of Microsoft Access, each serving a specific purpose in the data management process. Tables act as the foundation, organizing your data in a structured format. Forms provide user-friendly interfaces, simplifying the process of data input by presenting information in a visually appealing way. Queries, the analytical tools, allow you to extract valuable information based on your specific needs. Reports, the storytellers, present your data in a clear and organized manner, aiding in effective decision making. These objects collectively contribute to making Microsoft Access a versatile and powerful tool for managing information. Now, let's talk about the practical use of these objects in a Microsoft Access. Tables as the foundation hold your data in a structured and organized format, making it easy to retrieve and analyze. Forms streamline the data input process, providing users with an intuitive interface for entering and viewing information. Queries. The analytical tools let you extract valuable information based on your specific criteria, enabling to retrieve precisely what you need. Reports. The storytellers present your data in a clear and organized manner, aiding in effective decision making. The seamless integration of these objects ensures that Microsoft Access is not just a data repository, but a dynamic tool for managing information efficiency. Microsoft Access offers additional objects that empower you to customize and streamline your database according to your specific requirements. Macros, for instance, allow you to automate repetitive tasks, saving the time and reducing errors. Modules provide a platform for advanced programming, offering flexibility and customization beyond the standard features. Pages are used for creating interactive data access forms, enhancing your engagement and interaction. These additional MS Access objects add depth and versatility to your data management toolkit, allowing you to tailor your database to meet the unique needs of your projects.